Dan il-podcast huwa mmirat lejn udjenza matura fejn nitkellmu fuq ħafna topics b'satas u ħamalli, fih ukoll ħafna kliem ħażin bħal u anki jekk tistaġeb faċilment titkaża jew tieħu għalik malajr dan il-kontenut ma jgħodx għalik. Il-kumplament ħudu pjaċir u ħuduh fox kemm għandkom kollha.
Guys, rġajna l-ura l-episodi ħor Bite to Bake! Lejja mara law. Illum, għanna guest speċjali, guest li miskina ila ħafna tiġi warajna biex iġifu x-show.
Let's not put it that way. Stidinija u she was excited. Imma kien hemm sitwazzjoni fejn ma stajniex nġibuha ġifieri dak iż-żmien, imma issa fl-aħħar imma ejn nibdew bl-sponsors u hekk inħalluha
Eżatt.
għal minna u ftit ieħor. Sotto zero li jieħu ħsibna kull episode bil-goodies u le, ma żomm, int trid kafè ġifieri b'disħana men.
Ħaġa waħda tlabtek illum.
Fucking qed immut. Jieħu ħsibna bil-goodies illum għandna illum rġajna dorna naqra donuts ġifieri, missjajnihom, imma il-ġelati jerġi.
Apparti li t-sejda li xellu l-fridge.
Ija, xellu l-freezer. Lejtu Zet Electronics, ringrazzjaw ħat tablets li provdinna il-technical stuff u koll uħut minnu fidej, ħan color conditioning, thecasefactory.com, cases differenti u cool, tista' tiċċekkjawhom thecasefactory.com, onlineintimates.com għal toys tal-adulti, 5pointsgrowing.com 18+ jekk titkabbar xi pjanta sabiħa. Mbagħad hemm dlead.mt servizz professjonali fuq proprjetajiet jekk qed tfittex xi proprjetà u dawn l-affarijiet. Fire and Fork kull nhar terba jipprovdu l-all you can eat meat, it's fantastic aħna morna. U xatt ieħor ġdid jekk qed taraw għandna para ġdid li huwa sponsored by Black Box Pro. Jieħdu sibdaw l-affarijiet ukoll studios, home cinemas.
Beautiful.
U ser ikunu qegħdin jissapportjawna fil-live tagħna wkoll li ser nitkellmu fuqha aktar tard illum waqt l-episode. U nirringrazzjaw ukoll lil mhux sponsor imma
Ġara għalek. Ding, inti.
I feel I entered the abattoir, you know.
Isma' ħanidlek. Din hija xi ħaġa common sentiment li iħossu l-gestana li jaħsbu li ġejjin u nibdew ħanirrofinawhom.
Vera.
Mhux vera ben ġifieri. Joħorġu minnha b'garanzija ngħidlek kellem il-kull guest li kellna kemm kellna s'issa 20. Kemm kellna episodes? Kemm kellna episodes?
20 da 24 jiġi.
Xi 24, xi kellna xi 23 guests bewet jew 22. Kellimhom kollha u kollha jgħidulek kemm nixtieq jerġgħu jistednuni. Jiġifieri di x'ismu li hemm barra.
Biża, l-stigma.
Il-biża, l-istigma li hemm fuqna xi dwejja. Anyway.
Ma ħanibdew, jiena nixtieq nsaqsik xi ħaġa l-ewwel mistoqsija qiegħda di bażikament li inti għal-qansina darba rajtek kien fuq ix-she-word. Towa, u għamilna video naqasa bieħ jena għanda kizmin, ma ġast nix ninsaqsi għax ekka falla, ux.
Xie għed falla, u. Le, ejdenna da xie, spiegħanna. Xed tamlu? Et nistanaw risposta, ma nafx jekk għandik xwaħda.
I have no idea, actually.
You have no idea, edha maħħom xieġiviri.
But as far as I know, no, it's still going very strong. I mean, they're on a summer break and that's it. I don't think anything has failed.
Summer jibda minn jannar taħħom da.
Oh, March.
Jiena l-punt bdejta ta' posta nafu li mhux fallut. Imma jiena I have a bone to pick with one of the people on your show. Xilli ba jisimha.
First of all, it's not my show. I'm a guest on their show.
You're very right, very right.
You're a regular.
Eżatt, you like, you have your own segment, għandek il-segment jgħek. Imma mdik, Sasha Vella.
Problemi
għandi ma Sasha Vella. ħajkollina qabotu. Kemm il-darbet, taħat ma ta' kasi ġifieri, ma din uħorġu xort. Darba I said a joke jien online. Konti għat għawdex relax ġol pool. Mal-familja niftakart. Fight joke online, an edgy joke, a rape joke, and an AIDS joke in one. It's fine.
That was a bit hardcore.
Yes, it was a bit hardcore, which is fine. And nifhem li ħafna nismu se joġbuhom u se jħodu pjaċir b'da ċertu joke. My didn't label, ħajdek iċajta għawek issa qoddimek towa. If you have AIDS and someone rapes you, you win.
Inti kont tagħmel bħala tista' tedinna x'għamlet.
That is literally the joke. Issa di, she got by post, qasamlet share ġifiri biex ma tinix view, ġifiri nizlitu tellatu fuq her story u qalet li kif, how can it be these people have the voice, dana jifollow jaw hin-nies, missu jistħi, u let's cancel him, un badġow truppa ħafna oħra nisam dejqin skużi fuqi jaqlaw l-ħara ta' ħajti. Għax eddit ċoj, għax I'm promoting rape, u għax rape promotion.
But that happens to me regularly. I mean, with
Shit
the things
happens
that...
to you.
Of course, I get totally trashed.
From journalists imma.
No, from
Għax jena-
from people on social media. They start, I mean, whatever topic I talk about, they'll totally trash me.
Jina rapportam l-Aġenzija Support ta' kienu għal-ċajta.
Ara, wicċa! Sasha, di kollega tiegħek!
Jina għandi sħabi li qabżu għalija tilfu social media channels tagħhom ħabba li qabżu għalija. This is true, and this is the worst that is coming from a journalist. Dana Charlie Hebdo. Għannina Madonna, hemm il-ġurnalisti Franza timutu għal satira u għal-ċajt. Mbagħad jiena x'dejt ċajta. Tiġi tipprova tikkansiljani għaw Malta u le,
Imma ġast biex da.
Għax dal-ossja tablet il-ġdijt li tawna tal-Lenovo lejtu zet ħanġibu Tamagotchi. Ejja ħankomplu.
Imma di segment xtaqna namlu għaw kol, li mintilef il-profile u għaspuna. Spuna. Għodda l-appaċenz, jitħlu da' xej TikTok u għamlu l-follow, miskin, għax kull mandu ġittu tri. U ġajka mandek.
Kinta la xie 20,000 miskin, bisseħ xitu tri.
Tannejku, fox Sasha, xidweja, dweja. Imma, I mean, she-word anka, jidir li anka l-liner taħħom huwa it's for women by women xaħġek keda, right? To empower women. Issa aħna di, jekk namlu aħna, di l-irġiel, naqlaw il-ħesil. If we try to empower, jekk namlu podcast bħal dak.
But men have already been empowered for all your lives.
Eh,
You know what
dak
I
li
mean?
dik l-iskuża.
You were born empowered. I mean,
I'm born empowered.
it's been a man's world since the start.
Empowered xiġifieri, zom empowered.
Well, because, I mean, there were so many years where we couldn't vote. We had to do as you said. You kept us in the kitchen. I mean, you were always...
Jena kept no one in the kitchen, jena għujat.
No, not
Imma-
you, but men in history. Yeah, I mean, it's been a man's world, and we had to fight it.
Jien garantilek, jekk intik rifle u tmur fuq il-frontline tiġi empowered daqs l-ġil.
Eżatt,
But women weren't allowed to join the army going back.
Literally, they weren't allowed.
No, they weren't allowed. Then they were allowed to become nurses. But at the beginning, going back years and years, they weren't allowed. Now they're allowed, and they had to fight for the right to be allowed.
Nistani l-ek xaħġa? Jina nishtiq li men weren't allowed in war. Nishtiq, le, ma tishtiqx.
Well, I would like that as well, because I think boys and their toys, you like to fight a lot more
I
than
don't,
girls
man.
do.
I don't.
In general, I think that if we had more female leaders, there would be
My
less
only
war,
weapon
less
is
fighting.
the bed and air conditioning. That's my only two weapons. So
We need more people like you. We need more men like you.
Emma weja ka issa ma ridħlux fija xin kalla naqlaw il-ħesil.
Għala.
Le, għaxan.
Dal-biza kolla. Program tijak.
Kun onesta issa, right?
Program tijak, ġit mara ġit t-dominat, ġo program tijak.
Kun onesta, jiena.
Dbul fuq da minn taħt, ta' tinxomu għaw JNPP.
Ħankun onest, jiena fej jidħol per eżempju make, insomma, le xorta.
I think I was the one nervous coming here, and I think you guys are more nervous.
Le, minix. Ed niprofa għal kif
To be honest,
You're trying to be polite.
Would you feel safe in an army? Kiku l-armi kolla, tkun nisa. Would you feel safe?
Yes.
You'd feel safe, istja?
course.
Mux ġenerali għetnejd, like frontline.
Yes, Mela. Mela, there aren't some butch females who have more balls than men.
Imma ħanejdlek, għax l-axar darba dirridu nittakiljaw, actually, imma I think it's a good place to tackle it right now. Meta għandek grupp ta' nisa fl-imkien, di vera di tissinkjaw il-period intom.
Yes.
You think period. Mela għandna xahar ma nistgħux immorru għall-gwerra ma ħabba fikom.
No, għandkom xar. No, actually, it's the exact opposite. You have 1 month where those women... And then, especially, if you...
Rambo first blood.
Oh my God, guys. But especially if you have women, for example, going through menopause on the front line. You've won the war. You've won the war. Get out of the way. Get out of the way.
Kolli ngħid li parlajt fil-vojt. Kolli ngħid li parlajt fil-vojt.
Listen, women are the stronger sex, you know. Just because we can't lift as many... Just because we can't lift as many bricks and stones as you guys can, we don't have all the big muscle. Doesn't mean we're not the stronger sex here.
Għal-fat li tweldu, ġifiri, jen anka rajt il-Steph twellet, ħasna ħazin, naħseb paragon kollu wellet jen, ġifiri, we tend to agree, ġifiri, imma don't you think that men get the blame for everything, issa, nkunu.
Nowadays, yes, I think you
There
do.
you
I
go.
think nowadays it's very hard to be a guy. I think it's really hard. You can't win. You can't. Whatever you guys do, it's wrong.
Eżatt,
It's wrong.
jgħid
If you're nice,
il-verità.
it's wrong. If you're not nice, it's wrong. If you're friendly, it's wrong. If you're not friendly, it's wrong.
Exactly, you can't open
I think
the
it's a
door,
bit of
right?
a minefield now for guys. Yeah, I feel sorry for you
Ħanik
guys.
xfek ftit, inti konta tinkelmek darbet, wejja, come on, let boys be boys.
Yes.
Ġi, dik kammiraj tafsu, tħanġibaw,
No, I like a man to have a man's role. You know, I mean, recently there was a whole thing in the news about this guy who stood up on a bus to let a pregnant woman sit down, and she really took it badly. I mean,
Bis, serjeta.
yeah, I think we've just really gone, but I think in the world in general, we've just gone to the total polar opposite, you know, to the ridiculous point. I mean,
Mux jimaret titħabbel imma, I mean, mux torta. I mean, as in, it's nice, it's chivalry, it's let them sit down.
Mux jimaret tħabbel.
Ta' mux torta, eżad, għalila ekku.
Tali, Meta tiġli ġlieda ġo appartament, let's face it, meta tiġli ġlieda ġo appartament, ġeneralment dejjem ir-raġel jaqlaħ.
because usually it's his fault.
Eżatt.
It's always his fault. Because tiegħi fil-household tiegħi, it's always my fault.
Eżatt.
I mean, usually in the household, the men are always wrong because you know it's sort of like it's the way you do everything in the house. You don't tidy up after yourselves. You don't put the seat down on the loo. You don't put your clothes in the laundry basket. You put them next to it. You don't put your dishes into the dishwasher. You put them on top of the dishwasher. I mean, you know, come on, guys, what the fuck?
Emma di per eżempju għax aħna għandna problema l-spooner. L-spooner huwa jekk ma
This
tafux.
poor guy, he's the most quiet guy in here. He's the most quiet guy.
No,
You
isma,
pick
sena
on him mercilessly.
Sena semmu l-patrun.
U r-ref, insena jdu r-ref, u koll, insena jdu għara, Roset il-bjan, il-patrun, ġijaran għallum.
Ġijaran għawek. Imma spoon per eżempju għandu l-mara black belt.
Vera, bis-serta kolla.
Bis-serjetà kollha, men.
Karati
bis-serjetà,
black belt
ġifieri.
instructor xtaftati xaba, u.
Eżatt.
So Spoon knows his place.
Dikiju.
Imma dana jista jipprova jtija xeba. Jipprova jtija. Ġili lajt xi waħda minn għandha spoon xi flying kick kek ġon f'snienek.
Ejwa.
Ġili lajt.
Le, ġol-istonku tijaj hija.
Tajja.
Kemm għandek.
Imma issa per eżempju fil-kastakom il-lesbjani min jeħel?
Vera, it's a legitimate question.
It's a legitimate
I
question.
mean, minn ħajjuhu t-tort.
Min ħajħu t-tor. Da, il-pulizija ma li jiġu ħajarrestaw il-raġel is-soltu. Intom.
Ħanamlu
Mi.
għek, kieku ġiġ gejz, zgur ma jkunx hemm ġliet jipoġġu, jiraġunawa,
Eżatt.
ma jqoddux jisemmu affarijiet tal-passat.
What the fuck are you talking about? What the fuck are you talking about?
Għazzaw
Gay
ċenġi.
boys? Gay
Għazzaw
boys? They're the biggest bitches ever. What are you saying?
Mux aħnedni għadi. Mux aħnedni għadi.
Of course, gay boys can fight. No, I think, look, in a lesbian household, it's 50-50. Oh.
As in, it's split evenly, eżatt, il-ġliet u l-ħassil bejnietkom.
Yeah.
Like you split dildos, ġifieri. Not exactly, u hija xaġek imma.
Possibly.
Kon
Yes.
ħajdlek pal
It depends.
jien pal genital split kont ħanajdlek. Hemmhekk kont
Ma
ħanajdlek.
mort naqra softi. Il-ħosti li mort naqra iktar child friendly.
Mela, aħna wek f'dal kas tal-li ġejna f'dis situazzjoni fej irridu naraw as such minn ħajħu l-blame sowa. Ħana tukna scenarios. Għax ma jistax ikun li meta jiġi għal domestic violence, it's never a no. Dik ħan saqsik jena.
More toilet this section.
Jekk għadċem scenarios fej huwa ċettabli, sowa, li jiena nistanati double flying elbow lil-mara. Scenarios aċċettabli. Għax dana hemm ċertu drabi fej mhux dejjem le, possibbli dejjem le, għalhekk da studju ħanaraw jekk hux qatt aċċettabbli inti l-mara ti arrestu tbellaħa.
Okay, so listen, just before you ask the question,
Yes.
the only time that I would say there might even be the slightest possibility
We
that
have
you
lots of
could do
scenarios.
that you could do what you're doing is if the woman was of the same weight and physical strength as you.
Same weight and physical strength.
Physical strength as well. If she's not, if she's less than you, then there's never going to be a scenario where you can do it.
So if she's more, you can go ahead and do it any day in the morning.
Because she'll probably beat your ass. Yeah.
Ġivri jek jena nkun mija, kien jitwal minni, jien nistantik xaban ħasrek.
You're a lot heavier and stronger than I am, though.
Ma sax
Ixrina.
kun uħxona
Fina ħan nibda kull filgħodu nara x'nagħmel. Nibda nitmal mara balla.
discrimination.
Nibda nitmal
No,
mara
you have
barra
to be,
pancakes.
you have to have an equal opponent. If your opponent is smaller, weaker, and less strong, then you can never have a scenario where you are going to be able to
We're
give a
gonna give
double.
you double flying elbow.
Okay. Let's
Ħankunu
see.
ħankunu ċar.
Ma dix
Let's see.
ma għalix fil-bidu li women are the stronger sex. Mela,
Mentally or
I didn't say physically. I said you can carry and
ħanaraw, mela, jekk taħraqlek it-toast. Le. Ma tistax, li kovja.
you tell her that she did it well. You tell her that the toast is very good.
Proset tajjeb ħafna.
Happy life,
Għaxxar naqa.
happy wife, happy life. Tell her that's exactly how you wanted it.
Agreed. Issib il-partner teqlibilek.
You find your wife having an affair.
Yes, you come home and you find her, let's say, in bed, not wife, partner, whatever. This is good. This isn't
Isma, di
a
isma.
straight thing. It's a meta tisti. When is it allowed for you to
No, I think you have
physically
to
hit your partner?
No, definitely not. Definitely not. I think you need to.
Ejja, imma daw scenario zet insaqsi jekk u xorrajt jew le, dan għam riċerka, le. Le, daw it-tnej le, jena
I think that if you come in and you find her with somebody else, you need to ask yourself where you're lacking. Why is she doing that? It's your fault. If she had to go and find it elsewhere, then what's your problem? Why?
Mela jek nkun qed naqlibela jiena m'għandix tort.
Probably yes.
Probably your fault as well, you know? If you give me a minute, I'll find out why it's your fault.
All right, mela. Tkun qed tiġġieled mal-partner imma u toħroġlok sikkina issa l-partner, tiġġalik b'sikkina.
Hemmhekk
Self-defense.
self-defense.
That's fine, ġifieri, tira double elbow.
Di mhux ħirġa short spoon, żgur. Għala xi nafżak.
Imma vera, come on, self-defense,
Okay,
naqbel.
I think if you're attacked, then you have to defend yourself, yes.
Eżatt, issa, issib il-mara, teqli bielek, terġa, imma orġa ma' kull membru ta' the She-word.
Then I'd really be asking yourself, where are you going wrong?
Uj, għaxi, baw, di kontra She-word, man, jiena. You have to, ma smajtix il-risposta tagħha. Inti, għawad, ma ħalsuk xi għawda x-xar.
No, I told you if that was what you came home to find, then you would have to really be asking yourself where you're going wrong.
Minħabba l-orġa, mux maħabba She-word.
Le, ma jekk għaxija tajt, jekk il-mara tijaj edha tuħu bazma nista dixiwet wada kollu li ġara. Sintendi. Għax di, by the way, nsejt najda qabel, il-mara tiegħi, daħlu l-mara u tifla tiegħi fil-storja kienu u koll,
What the thing of Sasha?
Daħlu għafija u koll, għax il-mara qalet, don't worry, everyone gets your jokes, even your 5-year-old daughter, as a joke. Għallek il-rapportawna l-Aġenzija Support, għax we are telling 5-year-old kids rape jokes.
Okay. Well, I mean, look,
Complain now.
I don't know about the joke. I never heard about it. I have no idea.
I know. You're not the point. Tal-point li naqla l-ħara dik, that's all.
Eżatt. Manda zej se sabi.
Dik ma nafx.
Dik ma nafx.
Fidejk. Komplienti. Taħħa, vedi.
Ma faħruwiex. Mux għax kien korrekt, ma faħruwiex.
Komplienti issa.
Komplien? Għajt, mela ejja, boslok fis-sodda.
Absolutely not. I mean, men fought so much.
Okay.
Honestly, I think you would be happy if your wife starts farting as well.
I agree. Le, that's fine. Imma tboslok fis-sodda, imma siba skwot fuq rasek u taħrabela kuċċarina.
You wake up and you find it here. It's falling on you.
Some men find that quite.
ċaġa li tista' toqtlu.
I mean,
Tokki.
I mean, isn't there a thing on YouTube about 2 cups and two what is it?
Two girls and a cup.
or something
Dak
like
mux
that?
YouTube taħla ħares YouTube 2 girls 1 cup.
Jekk qiegħed
I've never seen it. I've heard of it. I've
Kiku
never seen
society
it,
is
but-
ruined, jekk hemm 2 girls 1 cup fuq
But
YouTube.
I think a lot of men have these kind of like weird fantasies. So
for
I mean,
sure.
some men might
Enjoy
enjoy
it.
it.
I really don't.
Personally,
Le, jena ma toġi minn jena.
but still, no. Still, I don't think that's a reason.
Jekk
no,
ikolla
no.
nemusa fuq wiċċa.
No, you could just blow. You could
Imma le,
blow.
ma blow taf ma jekk ikolla lejz in-nemusa. Alla tittaġġelu. Dajriet tiċċabċabiela.
You'll be saving her life. Oh.
Eżatt.
No. You see why we can't really have boys running the world. I mean, you're just boys and their toys, trying to find reasons why you can.
Jekk issiba tagħmel quddisa sewda, u tkun qed tissakrifikalek it-tifel.
Etlu ma jgħidix.
Titsax titfall tamlila clothesline, tkun ħat she'll be about to sacrifice your child in a black mass.
That's heavy.
You can, yeah.
Can't you just grab your kid and run?
No.
I mean, do you have to double elbow her? I mean, can't you find another way? You're so capable, so strong and virile. Can't you find another way of saving your son?
All right.
Come on.
All right. Tara fi protesta ta' graffiti. Għajdli xieqba fik. Għasħalli għanċans t-rispondi. Dik zguriva.
Jien l-ewwel ħaġa li nagħmel qas tilħaq tiġi iju tila lif naqta' d-daw tal-mejn.
Tal-hydrolika għalla bit-chaser.
Why though? Why? What would be the huge?
Mela
problem?
we ever have a reason for anything we say in this show, so don't be serious. Why? Why? Mux biex naċċajta fuq
Kabel, wow.
Madonna.
Xie
Xieġifiri? Dik
dik
vera, dik ħaġa oħra tal-irġiel. Listen, jiena nixtieq ngħid, per eżempju, u nifhem ta' xaw fucking ħafna rġiel niżeru b'satas f'did-dinja. U vera, u they label all
I
of us.
feel
as
it
sex.
coming. I feel it coming. You're giving the rope. You're giving the rope for me to hang myself on.
Le,
Right, okay.
xej, dix nsaqsi gdi, hemm dil-ħaġa in the women empowerment, the male gaze. Dil-ħaġa male
This might be a
gaze.
didija u għalli-mili, ejjen, ġi jekkat naqawa nejk, Max.
Le, ma dik kemm il-darba smajt tipo li just if you check online, the feminist movements jisom jgħidu li there are men when they look at women, hemm xi ħaġa msejħa the male gaze, jisom men look at women differently than how women look at men. Intom il-lesbjani x'jiġi? Għax gaze, mux the female lesbian, jew the male gaze.
You need to clarify your question.
That's not a question, really. It's a failed joke because I was waiting for JD to come and say something.
Le, assolutament.
Imma he didn't say it, so let's skip to this was a really bad joke.
Jiena li ħallejtek tmexxija di, għax jiena mandim kien miktub.
Jien inventajta. Ejja, imma differ, għatma smajt bil-male gaze, never heard of the male gaze.
The way a guy looks at a woman, no?
Eżatt. But if...
Għara, jiena
It's
namel
quite
ħazin,
sexual, no?
jiena namel ħazin li nara l-beach volley tan-nisa u ma nħadx kas il-punti.
And when I'm watching certain footballers, I'm not interested in the football.
There you go. There you fucking go. Mela, allura mux aħna biss. Hija xi ħaġa normali di. Jekk nara per eżempju oily wrestling tan-nisa. Mux ovvja l xiex qiegħed men. Mux qiegħed biex jerbħu. Come on, no. Mux qiegħed biex jerbħu l-punti, jo.
Listen, I think that there's nothing wrong in, sort of like the way a man fancies a woman or a woman fancies a man. I mean, it is part of nature. You don't have to take it to an extreme. But yes, of course. I mean, if you look at somebody who's good looking or whatever, or as in guys are looking at sexy females, I mean...
Mux ovvja, imma eżatt, xie din nagħmel jiena.
Inti, Max, once again.
Le, xaxuma, tipo, jgħidu l-MD.
I don't think that there's anything wrong in it. I mean, you can get a pervy gaze as well then, which is a bit,
Yes, su tmur qoddis u hekk, per eżempju.
Minn fuq l-artal, fuq l-abbone.
Kun tifel ta' xi six u hekk. Kollok ħafna pervy gazes.
Ta' Max. Complete. Isma' aħna f'dan il-programm.
Ma nafx salħajt. Ma nafx Max, ma nafx, għal istejja?
Jiena aħna ikonna ċertu mistednin li nħalluhom sorpriża għal-guest tagħna. Ikonna ċertu intervisti ta' nies li kellhom ħabtu miegħek u kellhom esperjenzi miegħek.
Okay.
Jaf tiftakarhom, jaf ma tiftakarhom, xaf tafhom, jaf ma tafhomx. Imma għandna l-ewwel guest illi
Għamilni l-interview u naraw x'jaħseb dwar.
Mela duk kien hemm ħarja mal-Jobs Plus u sfurzunni mun naħdem mal-IKEB sax inkella għal tal-iċċek tar-release żaw foxx il-ħmiċ għandu. Issa nivvotulu Pep. Jien fil-verità mal-Bolt taret immun naħdem ma' kulħadd joff biex tmur taħdem mal-Bolt. Tkun taf titkellem bl-Indjun. Bolt serje, da, Pep. Għandhom l-aħħar eżomi vera tqejl. Biss irid tkunu jafu kemm il-karuzza tiflaħ tgħaddi minn fuqek qabel ma tmut irrapportuhom il-Times. Nixtieq ninforma pubbliku li qed jagħmel mid-dar li l-Bolt mhux vera jagħmel eżami biex jaraw kemm jgħaddu karozzi fuq il-ħaddiema tagħhom. Inkompli nżid li dak kollu għadna fuq il-Bolt huwa gideb li f'dak li taqraw fuq il-gazzetti. Huwa xjentifikament impossibbli li jgħaddu iktar minn 3 karozzi minn fuqek u tqum timxi jaħseb wara tmur tirrapport tat-Times. Insellmilkom u tiftħu libel żoffox kemm għandkom. Seri Peppe ngħidlek jien, anke saħbek jieħdu lek siebek sa fuq dieta jitfawk. Għax b'3 € fis-sija żubbi mhux ma tagħmilx dieta. Ħaq l-imbirka jdumu tuwa biex xelluk il-ma dum tikol misħum bil-Maltova sakemm tistennek l-aħħar li kellu mmok. Kenna akwiet u mort narmi żewġ washing machines il-miżieb u nirċevi telefon ta' mill-uffiċċju biex immur nixbor waħda gejja ma fżani uj. Għara ma jfettillek xtajdela gej, kemm ħasbuni l-jurant, Pelini, kemm ħasbuni l-jurant. Asli ma nafx l-lum il-daw bil-forsi tajtilem l-izbjoni. U mmur fej għalli l-computer u nara waħdi sa' Boy George, mux George Michael, ta' xi tħewdu għom in-nispress me jħibbu l-lollipop. Lele, Boy George, dak li għamil għajna da' Angel House. U jixxufir tal-ustja Pep, kent nafezat fuq x'ħankellima u xindaħlet mill-bot tal-karuzza bdejt. Allura, Sinjura l-izbjona, inti bħoli u, tħepper ħatta gambli għaddi sejteru minn one way il-mad xini xempastit b'dallimni Hellandi, Sinjura, tant nintelif laqqas biex share location fuq WhatsApp ma jisibuni. U nisma bum. Il-biba tal-karozza tant il-qita bis-saħħa li x-xemma qalat li minn widnejja ġejt nisma daqs call center tal-Go Mobile. Jimma nufx ta' daw l-lesbjoni, mux ovvja dejjem bin-nervi Pep. Bejnietem, ħadd qatt ma jsettel ħadd. Jien qegħdik tal-isme u biex naħta naqallabra Pe! Sa sqallija tlajtnejx. Imma sqallija bidwejja lem mhux il-labra tajt il-vini. Kemm is-soppa tindumni kol ġubbon u salan qabel ma nsib l-ewwel pont u mun nilab ċama Pe! Kemm il-flix kun ta' żejt ta' żabbuġa ridnix qabel ma naqbad nixri bajni għamalu ħafna autostrada. Kemm il-flix kun ta' l-imbidi ridnix rob qabel ma naqbad infaqqa n-neksjum tal-istokku fil-vini, be! Kemm, be! Kemm! Kemm għal be! Kemm! Wara t-tisfatta ta' saqallija, xelt il-television, rajt il-sukarwana, titkellem fuq fashion u mux fashion, and fight nara l-fashion shows, u issa l-grazzja talla ninsab aħjar be, għax erġaj bat l-ismek. Fashion show.
Kont tafhom dawsu, proset il-PJ Station tas-soltu tan-reċ tartara, scripting u kollox.
Imma naħseb, isma, PJ, jena di kurzita. Ma nafx jekk inħalluwix fl-episodju l-edi. Min għax kontet li ma rettejx sqallija, lek semmejt sqallija u kombinazzjoni di.
Le, għaxak l-isqallija.
Eżatt.
Għax int mortejx sqallija, le? You're making your own business there, daw l-affarijiet, għaw tibni xi business, jew hekk, jew hekk.
I'm setting up a house with an Airbnb.
Eżatt. Tiġi kont semmejtielek, mhux kombinazzjoni di, għax tinsaqsijilek kombinazzjoni.
So all of those jokes are related to me.
Mela,
Sqallija le, xieġi.
Alija, okay.
Dana kien driver ġiġ brok darba, għalek għal ġabar wahda driver għalila dak dik mux gej li zbjona, u bda tajweħel fi. Għalala ta' farsi he's your driver, ġifiri, tallak darba daj. U liħor il-ġanki ħabba fik bada jara l-fashion, u ġi aħjarax, għabbat jihu l-smek jerġa.
Kien fiq mal-program,
Eżat, rubba l-fashion tija.
u rġajt il-rovinajtu. Isma, x'taħseb dil-ossessjoni tal-irġiel li ridu jaraw lesbian porn?
I didn't know that men had an obsession.
Vera.
Really? They like seeing
Fissati.
girls with
Aħna issa
girls?
pjanat, ħana raw sija. Jien per eżempju,
Ejda. Oħraġa minn qalbek, oħraġa.
Be careful.
Fawa xort.
Oħraġa.
Ija.
Jiena per eżempju ħobb nara mother and daughter porn.
Oh, why?
Dik liġi lesbian jien jow.
Tiġi weird, dude.
Weird,
Tiġi
just
weird.
that. Immintix
I mean, you need
differenza
to
ta'
be
min.
locked up. Why do you want to see mother-daughter porn?
Għanilek il-għala, għalix, għalix, fija ħazi, mux zawx nisanu,
What a
għalija.
pervert you
Imma
are.
It's an actor role, Lou. It's
Do you want to see your wife and your son?
Imma that's different.
Why is it different?
gay, it's not lesbian porno.
Xandi xaqsam, it's still parent and child. Let's see your wife and your son.
Mela, aħna ġejna lura. Ħabta u sabta ek ċumbum. Għax da zibel ta' reffa u Matthew li jodinna ritratti. Id-deċida. Jaqbad, dak. Dana id-deċida.
Vendikazzjoni għabela.
Vendikazzjoni, jaqbad il-plak tal-extension bis-sninu u ħarġu mis-socket ta' posta u teffa kull maw. L-spooner, pipi, rimettar, kollox. Tejċ kemm inkwieta, ostja. Da' xiver, dek għandkom bżon. Jajdulu, ta'
Spija.
jajdulu.
Ma konnet nitkelbu fuq mother and daughter porno dal-affarijiet. U suqalt li, għax inti, għax mtru pjaċirku tara l-maratijek ma.
You can't even say it. You can't even bring yourself to say it. When you put up a scenario and you ask, well, what do you think about it? Then, of course, you make it personal. You think about it personal. I mean, when you're looking at porn, you're imagining yourself doing it. So it is personal, right? If you're seeing the woman, the pool guy comes or the carpenter comes with his belt and whatever, and then he comes into the room and he's going to have sex. You're imagining yourself being the pool guy. You're imagining yourself. Porn is putting your imagination, putting yourself in that situation. So let me then put myself in the situation where I'm watching you. No, your wife having sex with your son, or JD's wife having sex with hers.
Jina, għalek iġifiri nħob nara daw il-porn violenti, jina, għek.
Well, obviously there must be some sick garigor in your head, but that's what you want to do.
Once within that chain of thought, jekk jina nħob nara daw il-porn fej jidħol
You
ir-raġel u
need to see
jkun
a
dominating u
psychiatrist. You
ġli.
need to see a
Kun
psychiatrist.
violenti.
Ikun violenti.
You
Jien
need
niġi
help. You need help.
ma niġiġ
If you,
violinist.
if you enjoy watching that, you seriously need help. You seriously
Not good,
need
no.
help. No, it's not good. It doesn't. It doesn't. If you want me to recommend a psychiatrist, I can give you a couple of names and numbers.
Violinist.
Ma niġiġ violinist. Jek nħob nara l-porn violenti ma niġiġ
It
violinist.
just means that you have serious psychological issues,
Just niġiġ bi problemi. Ija, problemi għandi.
problems, problems.
Dana jirrekmandali, jek tirrekmandani xaħad bombax, jena porn ta' tobba naraw kollu. Ġifiri, jirnexxili ju koll emmek, tajjeb.
Wix binnek etnejlek, tajt l-spalti bil-violinist, ostja. Għandi għaw, mtarra xostja. Wix binnek. So, inti kont mizzewġa,
I was.
Għanamlu għacħara. Tamlux porn ma' tfal. Alright? Għanamlu għacħara ġġejna fi xit ma' taffariet ta' tfal. Tamlu xej ħazin ma' tfal, alright? Xej. Xej, alright? I want to reiterate, we do not really watch that type of porn. Aħna naraw porn ta' stepdaughters. Dik differenza enormi. Alright? Temna?
Lesbien naraw, biex nkunu ċari.
Eżatt,
I
it-tifla
hate
ta'
that
taraċ.
word, by the way.
Xieġi, headed word lesbien. Ma naxa, ma nibdew, ma naxa did-nate. Okay,
Why do we have to call it anything?
Agreed. Naqbel jena. Agreed.
Jessa għattejt li għax ġdin najdela tebli.
Why? But I go around and I say,
Straight
so
man.
you're heterosexual sex, or you're.
Sure,
I mean, no, but we
Jena
don't.
falek,
We don't.
nemmen li iktar ma tagħti labels, iktar toħroġ iktar tkabbar stigma.
Yeah, it's fine to be anything, man. Shit.
Agreed, għalek, imma it's fine to be anything,
Just-
anything
we don't
is
have to
anything.
mention it.
So mem bżon ti label.
When we're talking about people having sex, we don't say, oh, because it was heterosexual sex. No, but then when we're going to talk about girls, it's lesbian.
Ma dik differenti.
But no,
Straight,
why?
aħna nedula, propja.
But why? Say straight, lesbian, bent. Why? Why?
Benta.
Just
Benta.
straight, opposite to straight would be bent, I suppose. Straight line or bent line.
Bent, mux
bent.
benta, alright, okay.
You know.
Tirrabja maħna. Kont ħanajd l qabel interrompejtni. Inti kont mizzewġa, le? Imma you ended the relationship għax ħassejt li inti, alright, ma nistax ngħid lesbjano, ma ħassejt.
No, that's not the story at all. First I was married, then I was in another relationship for 19 years, and then that ended, and then I wasn't interested in a relationship at all. I just happened to meet somebody, and she just happened to be female, and I think at that point in my life, I thought it's a relationship is with a person, not with a male or a female. And to be honest, I kind of got a bit fed up of men. You're a bit of a pain in the ass. Yeah. So.
Kiku int tamela ġejdi.
Xiex namel.
Kiku naf niklikjaw għalla.
Like JD, would you ever go out with Max?
U taqba taqala f-storma.
Le, namlu għacħara l-ċara.
Ma tamilix kif.
I don't mind living with you, alright? Baqqat muħad daħħalu nifsorbi, bro. Ġek għandek xie fantazija. Jek dal-podcast xloqtu, alright, xloqtu, biex xi darba.
Il-gowlek tijaw kollu.
Gol tijaw kien, biex inti tfatfaħu li tafaf.
That's the definition of the long game, emmek.
I think two girls being together is different than two guys, though.
Le, zgur.
Laħanejlek, isma.
Dik zgur, zgur differenti bija fil-bija. Bizbissem ħafna rwejjaħ differenti.
Yeah, men are quite smelly.
Mux ġast.
You are smelly, though.
Imma biex jihdu pjaċir li ġil hemm ħafna smelliness. Iktar minn.
It is a bit disgusting, eh? But I mean, men are all like that, eh? You're all about puppy dog's tails and... It's just quite disgusting. Anything to do with men is smelly, though. I mean, from when you're kids, you know, your sports bags, your clothes, your underwear, everything smells. You just smell. You
Ġinti
just...
għattejt li futboler mara ma tkunx tinten.
Kollu xata
Not in
dik sannek.
not the same way. Not the same way. You're just like happy to leave everything sitting in the bag. and
Scientificament.
You let all of the sweat just sit there and ferment, you know, and then you'll open the bag the next day and you'll wear the same clothes again. And
La, ma mux għalek, ta' konna jkun għetħabba l-ħara.
Emma, we're
Ġil biex jieħdu pjaċir
from
sexually.
shit, we were talking about smells and how men don't seem to be too perturbed with smelly environments as much as women. We prefer things to smell nice, and you prefer puppy dogs' tails and...
Ġifiri we prefer. Number one, inti fejta, inti bizbiz, insomma, mux fejta, faxissa tixxaqleb iktar lej il-men, vera.
But I mean, men just do these things. You just do. You have smelly socks and you have...
Ma those are smelly men. Don't tgħid li smelly.
Why, you're trying to tell me that you're not smelly? Because I'm sure that you're smelly.
Everyone is smelly after a while, u jekk inti tagħmel
Yes, okay. Women would, most, let's say
Speċjalment
most,
kun
prefer...
taħdem ma' taqqal.
Hemm ħafna rġiel maħmuġin u hemm ħafna nisa maħmuġin.
Yes. This is true.
U meta jiġi għal dawn
There are
l-affarijiet.
dirty people.
It's a question of hygiene.
That's
Issa
it.
bħala smells, I tend to agree li l-irġiel jista' jkun jinsertaw f'sitwazzjonijiet fejn tiġi tinten iktar minn mara.
This is true.
Żgur, 100% ditu.
Especially if it would be JD and Max in a relationship, it would
Exactly.
be very smelly. wouldn't
Mbagħad
it?
blikel li niklu aħna.
It would be. It would
tkun-
be.
Koll ma
Ah,
naħdu
zino.
xej jekk mhux bil-crispy onions. Kollox. Imma thank fuck li jettinna li mhux hekk ġrat is-sitwazzjoni għax jiena I wouldn't imagine men li l-mara titlaqni għal mar oħra.
Għala.
Għax li tip ta' insecurity men ħażin mejja da ġifieri jien ma nafx naħxi men. Ma nafx naħxi.
You can't pleasure her in general.
Eżatt,
But
eżatt.
it's not all about...
Bezzajta bżobbi għal ħajjita.
It's not all... You see, this is where you guys get it wrong. You think it's all about your dick, and it isn't. There's so much more, you know. It's not only about what you can do with your magic wand, or not do in that case. I mean,
Jinaġa naf il-bajt qatt ma jisemma miskin.
Vera, dejja mem, dendelu dejja.
Dendelu dejja il-bajt.
Ismanna għanna.
Dejjem torta zob, dejjem torta kollox.
Għanna suġġett altru minn mother, daughter, women on women. Ra għanna kelb sorry, għanna ritratt tal-kelb tijak.
Margie, her name.
Margarine.
Zob.
Dak kelb jew farfetti lejbla ġwina.
Look at her. She's so sweet.
Ma ismi, għara ħarejdlek. Da kullħat tanka meta ikollu tfalti. Il-babies, meta jitwildu, ikunu korroħ mawx kolla. Vera jew le? Meta jitwildu. Imma l-lajbirek inti tara ħelu tijak. Jena rajtu ħelu tijak.
Ma ħiz.
Imma, jena rajtu ħelu. Le, it-tifel tijaj. Fux kemm għandek, it-tifel tijaj meta rajtu meta twilet, kien ikraħ mawx, minti tara ħelu. Tifhem ġida, b'rispekol.
Dak għax jixbek.
Dak laqas Mojra Delija ma taqbas għalih. B'rispett kollu, ġeri.
But listen, I mean, you're a bit cheeky because I mean there are so many other beautiful photos of her, and this one is, I mean, this was her Halloween photo.
Jena da, oħba Halloween kostume tal-lot, kawitxa Halloween, ġiviri,
She's faqmija, allura, she's a bit faqmija, allura, jasra, miskina.
Daw il-klip ġili iktar ma jkunu korru, iktar jkunu cute.
Eżatt,
You know what I mean?
She is,
U iktar ma nkunu l-libak. La di actually konna nafu li jinti tinkazzek, nsemmu lek
Eżatt.
No, the worst thing that you can tell me is that she's a pug. No, she's not, she's a Frenchie.
French Bulldog, eżatt.
Imma da
yes.
zaħira, lek t-der pag naħseb jow.
Doesn't look anything
French
like a
Bulldog ikun
pug.
ikbar,
She
le.
looks nothing like a pug.
Imma French Bulldog ikun ikbar, le, jow għaxa da zaħira.
They're bigger than pugs, and they have different ears, different faces,
man, if-
different bodies.
Maybe she's a French pug. Ġemetem! Jesu! Mami! Let's go for a walk! I want to go to the poop on the floor! Dejjem dak il-Madonna! Jena laħara sande pag, għax nġibu ċof. Għax The amount of what's the word that did Madonna għandhom dak il-breeding heavy taħħom.
Għax maħabbam liħirom,
Illa xidweja. Tal-bliħ.
They
Aħna-
fart as well a lot.
Dej fart ma dakka kull kelb.
Ma kol kelb.
No, Frenchies
Kun
are.
onest, kun onest mi, kun onest. Il-riħat tal-basta tal-kelb joġbok. Differenti mill-riħat tal-basta li.
Eżatt, għandu dik
Kun onest,
il-spice.
kun onesta. Jiena l-inqas
It doesn't bother me. Let's put it that
Oh,
way. I
differenti.
just, because I had to embrace it because I'm surrounded by Frenchies. I had to embrace
Kemm għandek
their.
Malaki?
I have two and my daughter has two, but my two
Two.
fought a lot, so and they sleep in bed with me. So
Fucking female u kol, ta'
we have one boy,
Estija.
one boy,
Alright,
but
I'll-
we've taken off his balls.
Tara,
bil-forsi.
kemm mintom liba.
So, but if you're a French lover, then you have to get on board with farts and you just have to embrace the smell. You have to embrace it. So. That's it. You
That
can't
makes-
fight it. You
that
know, it's
makes
like living
sense.
with a man.
Ma
The
le.
same thing. No, if you're living
Ma
with a man,
preparajni xali għadi, eh?
if you're living with a
We know
man,
you don't live with men.
Daqsek, don't
Sal-bajt tal-kelpa tajt. Da sekto bodom l-irġil, eja, ġib. What bil l-video, għanna video, kellimna l-vet tijak. Għaw il-vet tijak, għawek.
Min analiżi profonda li għamilna fuq il-kelb ta' sukar u għana skoprejna li bati bil-marda i-watkwi, il-wiċ talla kemmu wikra, bil-liba peppet najdek, tantu wikra li xin ittaru bil-karozza u tinduna, terġa t-reversja fuq. Iftakar l-ewel darba li ġid biħa xi dot, se namel għatla, ħagġa wahda tista tamel. Eutanazija, għaxi għadu zaħira, tla taħjar. Għastix blu jistaxsibu xin imurru l-wheel balancing, jiena ma nistax nifhem pep. Daw il-nis li jġibu l-klip u morru on holiday u jitfawam ġo home. Xikru delta pep. Jien dejjem nissuġġerixxi li traqqadhom. Kelba sabiħa pep. Labrador. Biex tibqa li sabiħa meta l-etri raqqattaw b-baltmajta. Sarta fis-salon ġib sabiħa taf semmejta? Sleeping Beauty. Taf kem tobdi, is-sittu sejma l-ewel tal-limnijom. Il-feċ imbatu naqra xi naqrib semmaw xi niġu għal qalbi wasal il-bedtime. Eżatt tamila. Kont se ngħidlek mhux min ibbul masa qajjem m'għandi biċċa ta' qattus qasni ħaq iddawar wiċċi ma jmux jaħsilha bew. Ikraħ xi ħaġa ta' qattus Peppe. Tantu ikraħ reġa' ġabitu lil lura mojra delija. Qasem mal-fej jaqbadhom il-ġrieden għax jinjarawh il-ġrieden tantu ikraħ jintefgħu fl-ewwel nassa li jsibu. Permetti li naqapleb. Hello? Raqdu. Taf xajdu? Kelb priqet, lat qajmux. U ħanajdlek, sa' kem ma taf xi trik tal-azzru hekk, zobbi mhux tqajmu warajja, no fucking way, no fucking way. Laqqas hekk jaqbad ikkanta Joseph Kalleġu toqbata winneħ ma jqum. U dirriġu naqtaw li bil-forsi jridu nżommu l-pezz tagħna ħajjin, have to get rid of this bloody taboo. Il-vantaġġi tagħha wkoll, pereżempju, kelb mejjer, 1. ma jħammitx. 2. ma tonfoqx flus fuq l-ikel. 3. Tistaw fl-axħar dawk li jiexu ġo small apartments ikolkom klib kbar. Mela, ikolkom jisekolkom Great Dane, jisekolkom Alaskan Malamute, jisekolkom African Malamute li tridu, any kelp li trid. Basta jkun kremat ġo vażet fil-jum.
ħana ġana qalbu fuqna aktar women against men stuff, so il-gender pay gap. Do you think it's real as well, ġviri di? Il-gender pay gap?
yeah, I think men do get paid more than women.
Imma it's a fact, they do get paid more than women. Imma is there a reason why jew hemm il-patriarchy jitiżomm il-nisa below? Għax that's the agenda tagħha kollha sewwa. Tipo the largest pay gap edha fil-WNBA biex niftehmu. Caitlin Clark, taf minni?
There you are.
LeBron James, taf minnu?
Maħna.
Yes. Look, I think that the gender pay gap before made a little bit more sense because women would take more time out of work or having children, and
Eżatt.
however now we're supposedly more equal, so the husband or the father should be able to take time out as well to look after, because by default, if your kid is not well, can't go to school, it's the mother that has to take time off to look after the kid.
Men għallik.
Usually,
Sbalta, laqqas jien
no,
da.
by default, normally that's what it is. So the woman then becomes less reliable at work, whereas the man, now it's starting to change slowly. Where now it's starting to be that maybe, you know, in JD's case, he has to take a day off to look after your son if he's sick. But on the whole, usually it's you know, the kid is sick. It's up to the mom to sort it out, right?
Fi torta nisa gender pay appetite inti tortakom.
No, not saying tortana, tortakom. Everything. Listen,
Kollox, del-bicċa taffa skol.
Kollox mill-bidu sal-aħħar. Minn għallem kat, ma
Always.
Ma jinteressani.
Għadil komment wieħed. La waqta.
Għax ma bħani xwajda sissa.
Kolla.
Ej, t-teja. Zit l-ostja.
Dejjem kollox kontrina. Anki jek jimrat id-tifel tortijaj. Jiena nipreferi noqot id-dar, ġolejsi. Ara, għandek raġel.
As if you would choose to go home and stay with a sick child with temperature instead of come here and take the piss and laugh with your friends.
Mela jien da
As
xogħli.
if- This is fun. This is fun. If this morning you and your wife woke up, and if you have a daughter or a boy,
A daughter,
If you and your wife woke up this morning, and your daughter was sick and she had temperature of 104,
Eżatt.
you would say, "Don't worry, hon, I'm going to cancel filming this morning, and you can go to
ma
work,
nistawx
and I'm going to stay at home." And you would prefer to stay at home with this child vomiting and going to hospital and waiting in the queues and sick and whatever, instead of coming here.
Illum x'inhu illum?
Saturday.
Is-sibt. Il-mara ma taħdimx is-sibt.
Let's say it was a Monday or
Let's say
a
it was a
Friday.
Monday.
Let's change the day. It was a Friday.
U jekk jiena naħdem fil-ġebel. Nipreferi mur noqgħod norfa l-kantuni 8 sigħat fix-xemx
Flok
u l-mara
flejsi,
toqgħod
no,
id-dar.
Let me tell you,
Ittifqaw,
if you give me the option of staying at home and doing housework and looking after a sick child or going to work, I'll go to work.
Vera?
Vera jew.
Hands
Imma
down.
because your work is nice
fun,
and
no?
it's fun. Imma tmur
My work
nerfa
is nice
l-ġebel.
and fun. My work is
X'tagħmel
very
inti?
stressful.
X'tagħmel inti? Madonna, x'għadel
Li ftaqla l-ħara l-irġiel.
U tal-bajt tal-klib. Madonni, x'taq, mux beautician int.
I do semi-permanent makeup. That's my job. It's very
La, la,
stressful. It's very stressful. It is very.
Potis. Madonna, tamel il-makeup stressful, so.
Dimi edin jibnu blokk appartamenti. Għadhom u daqsalla. Għadhom kif għaddew il-konkos. Kull-jum fil-ħodu jiġi wieħed kurnut. Raġel, ovvjament, għax fil-construction. U jagħmel 3 sigħat bil-liba pipe. Sejre, mhux bil-liba. Jiċċekkja jekk hemm xtoqob fil-konkos ħalli jekk dak joqgħod isu kurnut, jinżel u jagħmel hekk bil-flawt fit-toqba.
What a hard job, eh, though. I mean,
Issa inti
why
taħseb
does he have to check every day? If he checked yesterday, why does he have to check it?
għax inti ma tifhimx fil-liba konkos.
Għax il-konkos jitċaqla u jerġa' jaqsam.
Checks every day, għax apparent jien ma nifhimx.
But this is, I suppose, also why more men fall off the roofs and they fall into cement mixers and you know,
Exactly.
because
Xfiri, imma this
boys
is-
and their toys. You
Imma
like
that
doing.
is-
You like.
That is harder than staying at home with your little
Child.
Go to sleep now for 3 hours.
Mushek, a sick child is going to go to. And let me tell you what. Let's try it. Let's
I'd
try it and
happily
then
try
come
it.
back. Then come back and tell me what it's like.
we
You
don't
guys
need to
have no
try.
idea, huh?
We don't need
You
to try
guys
it. We
think-
did it. We
You
did
do.
it. Aħna we do it too.
This is like when people separate, you know, and the man has to give maintenance for the child, and says, "I'm not going to give maintenance for my wife to go out and have coffee."
Yeah.
Like, are you serious? The maintenance is for your child,
Uh-huh.
not for your wife to go out and have coffee. But that's the attitude that men have. Men's attitude is that giving maintenance when they've split up with their wives and they're maintaining their child, that they are somehow benefiting their wife.
Għana batlek, Johnny
Ex-wife.
Handyman għal Maintenance Street. Għandi n-number tijaw, jabbatula ġeja bizzob ta' maintenance. Għana għidlek. Jiena il-mara, l-ammont ta' drabi li qomt fit-tlieta ta' fil-lodu biex imur nagħmel il-libabotil tal-ħalib tal-ħalib.
You're a modern man, Max.
Yeah,
Well
no.
done. You're leading the way
Ma this is the way
forward.
it should be. Għax tal-liba
That's the way it should be.
Għanamlu daqxej ta' disclaimer,
cool.
anka favur in-nisa. So,
Mija
favur
fil-mija,
l-ġil. Favur l-ġil ħalablu. Jena il-mara tiegħi meta kelli t-tifel, Anġlu kienet, dik il-ħaġa li it-tifel kien bil-fors għal-feed fis-satejta bil-lej, sawa kienet tqajmu bil-mod tmur barra u tih il-feed biex li ma tqajjimnix. Għaliex hawn fucking nisa li jekk huma irid il-flet kollu, men. Għaliex jqajmu lill-irġiel għax mhux fair il jiena biss, it-tifel mhux da żejża tiegħi.
But you should take it in 10. Why didn't you get up and feed the baby yourself?
Breastfeeding.
She could have expressed. She could have expressed and you would have fed him yourself.
Yeah, I don't let her express herself, jena, man. I don't like women expressing themselves.
Spoon! Di short, di tajba! Di tajba mawġ. That's a good joke.
Not like spoon. Għaxina kulli nitjulu frisk. Il-mara vera għatma għajmetni li meta kienet breastfeeding, xizzobt għajmu jgħamil il-raġel u jek breastfeeding. Ifimni, kienet toħroċ kif ħanajt? Kienet tippampja, imma l-meta ma tkunx available, immek available.
During the night at 3 o'clock, she could not be available and you would be readily available to get up and to feed the baby if you wanted to.
Ma għamel tatu kurnut ma darek u
Imma tara, mela, because you get up at 3 o'clock in the morning to feed the baby, kurnut. But because she gets up to feed the baby at 3 o'clock, no. I mean, you see, by default, it's a man's world.
Id-dover.
Zaqqa sink il-mara,
Dak id-doveru, bħal meta taslu l-platti u bħal meta tifqaw il-karozzi. Dak id-dover ta'kom. Jina lek il-premium tal-karozza molalla.
Le. Spoon erġa.
Minux kellna l-Mark Grima fuq il-show, so, and we spoke to him about the different types of gays. Għandhom il-bear, għandhom il-butch, etc. No, mux il-butch. Butch is lesbian. That's what we want to ask. Il-lesbians. Għandhom tip ta' different lesbians, as in, because
There are, for sure.
I'm curious. I genuinely don't know. I'm really out and aghast in this topic.
There are, for
Well,
sure.
my experience with girls being with girls is not very long-lived. I've only recently joined this sort of sector, so I wouldn't, but yes, of course. I mean, just same with any, I suppose, sexual relationship. There are different roles, eh?
Le, ma fis-sens in the straight hood community.
You mean who's the giver and who's the taker?
Le. As in, if there is a big, I am considered a bear.
Because like if you and JD were
Bears.
together, who would be the giver and who would be the taker between the two of
Would
you?
niftemu aħna ta' xaħna ġil.
I think you'd be the taker and he'd be the giver.
Aħna ħafna cock-docking namlu.
Eżatt.
You know what cock-docking is?
No, I don't.
Literally, tamel zopp ma zopp.
Okay. Like
Ras.
like docking.
Literally.
They
in.
dock.
And then you create a suction. And if you pull, it won't come out.
Umbat
Like when dogs are
bis-salt
shagging.
tixbet lura.
It's like a Chinese finger trap.
Sounds painful though.
Probably painful.
Pain is fun.
Probably
sometimes.
painful. Pain, I like BDSM, or?
Jena, għaxxar lekem, lajt il-ħaral, bimma bdejna.
Għaxxar li, insomma, hobba li ba nizla mal-leħja. Le, imma, kif rġajt ġejt? Zomma xerġajt ġejt fuq il-mother and daughter. Imma aħna, per eżempju, aħna niġu pala, aħna bears niġu, mux givers u għek, aħna bears.
Just because we're big, we're a
big,
bit
we're hairy.
oversized and we're hairy. Il-spoon jiġi twink in the
Eżatt.
gay world. He's
Ak
called a
għalenna.
twink. Because he's small, he's skinny,
Compact.
He's slightly on the feminine side.
he looks
Slightly.
He looks new, he's what to hear it.
Eżatt. He looks new. He looks like he came out of a package.
He's what kif ħareċ eżatt mill-plastik, eżatt
Eżatt.
is-sawtu l-mara. Twink, you know, as in ek,
Eżatt.
Il-PJ,
Naħseb
naħseb
xieġi, ju.
I don't know.
lizard, naħseb. You don't have, per esempio, inti għet lesbians and butch.
Mela, jina
There's
naf li
butch
jem
and
butch.
femme.
What?
Mask and femme.
Mask?
Masculine?
So the ones that look more masculine and the ones which are feminine.
Okay,
Masks
lipstick
and
ġi
femme.
smajt bija.
Lipstick.
Lipstick apparently, id-di għalit li Martina. Lipstick meta jkunu t-nej very lady
Martina
look.
has a lot more experience than I.
Azgur għandu.
She's a bigger source of information.
Lesbianism.
Ma meta jkunu żewġ feminine, very feminine looking, jiġu lipstick lesbians.
Okay,
Jiġu
yeah.
l-porn li naraw ġeneralment ikun
It's
lipstick lesbians.
yes, uh-huh.
Aħna lipstick ġifiri top quality premium.
Eżatt.
Għaxin nisa korox ma s-sitara nisa korox. Dipstick lesbian.
Lipstick lesbian. Isma, saqsuk xaħġa li di rridu nitkelmu naqra fuq. Eċ taħseb fuq Andrew Tate? L-ostja xwitċ għamlet. Għax ħafna ġil jasbuħ li u għalla,
You
Ġiviri.
see, this would be another subject that I'll just get roasted on social media for.
Why?
You know,
Ah,
sort of
no,
my
no,
opinion on him. I think he's a shit too. I think he's I mean,
U proset, u.
Proset, li aħna smani, aħna
Ejd, għaxar bada nħar.
Le, aħna naħsbu li 99% tan-nies illi jaqblu miegħu dan nies qatt ma raw falda f'ħajjithom ġifieri. U just jobodu n-nisa they can't get fucking with them.
that's it.
Ġifieri jiena aħna naqblu. Are we in agreement hawnhekk kulħadd?
Le, kolħad, vera.
Isma, Bjan, di ma tfissirx okej, di tfisser. Ok, għax fil-kaz madbuk il-barra.
Għax when you, finti, kun onesta, inti xsibt li aħna ħanaqbżu għal-Andrew Tate. Ek now, għax jisede.
No, I wasn't. I mean, I wasn't quite sure actually if you would. I would hope that you wouldn't. I would hope that I'd
Ma
have
kif
a bit
semmejtu
more.
lek? Xsibt li ħanaqbżu għalih.
Ej, naħseb għazbet ikon għadu n-naħati.
Għax di stigma kontrina, ġifieri, li taħsbu li aħna naqblu ma' Andrew Tate, għalna minna fucking sija u nofsaw nitnejku. Kollu ċajda li qed ngħidu. Ġifieri.
ħares għadċaħġa serja,
Buxek,
toħroġ bil-ħaqna.
buxek.
Ma di bis-serja ta' ngħid jiena. Jekk inti tikber id-dar, towa, trabbi kommok. Tinjorom, ġenituri. Tmur ma sħabek, tinjorom. Tmur l-iskola, tinjora teacher. Tinjora l-kull kudi. Imma mbata xieġi dal-ostja fuq l-internet.
U għandu xieġiġ Ferrari.
Joqgħod jagħtin il-pariri noqgħod nagħdu raħ.
mhux hekk.
U kull ma jgħid kontra n-nisa tagħna ma jgħid xejn jiġifieri żejjed. It's ridiculous, vera redikola. Qed naħnaqblu ħadda miegħek.
Eżatt, aħna. There is no setup in this. Għax I can see it in your eyes.
Dik qiegħda
I
tinkwita.
can see it in your eyes.
Yeah,
Jiffaħħar
I'm
ħanibda.
wondering where this is going.
Aħna
no,
letteralment hawnhekk qiegħdna aqlaw il-ħara n-nies li jħobbu l-Andrew
Andrew Tate.
Tate għax iġib il-views.
Eżatt.
Then literally, għax we just don't like Andrew Tate għax we think he's
That's
an
why you
idiot.
don't like him because he gets views.
Assolutament le.
Reġġat jiena
Għandu
għali.
lebza.
Eżatt, għax gustuż għalhekk idea.
He is reasonably good looking. Yeah, it is a pity. though.
Reasonably.
Le,
To say reasonably mela stja tittaħdem men biex tkun toġbok li.
You fancy him, well, you like him.
Ej, se wejja, sax tejt li ukraħu.
Jien hoħ jaġobni, hoħ nipreferih.
Yes, I think,
Xeħu, le.
Gustus.
Imma, anyways, et nitkellmu fuq beauty, inti taħdem fil-beauty, kif semmejna ġvieri, taħseb li jissa it's getting a bit too much with beauty, come on.
Eżagġeraw.
Fillers, da kolħat, fillers, treatments, ostja, mala, men, I mean,
Because women want to look nice for their men.
le anka,
Bullshit.
bullshit, women.
For the men, dak għalikom tamlu kollox. U għajja ġejdu look for the men. I don't do it for the men, I do it for me.
Le, ħanejlek.
Because
Listen, women do it to make themselves look more attractive. They want
To
to look
who?
more
To who?
attractive. Well, it depends who they want to attract.
Eżat. Jek tiġi il-marati.
It's men's fault as well. It's because of men.
Jek tiġi il-marati.
This goes back to my very first reel where I talked about, how unfair humans are according to in comparison to the animal world. Where in the animal world, the female animals look quite plain, and the men are the ones that have to strut their stuff and to, like a peacock, so then they have to look really good and they really have to work to get the female. But in our world, we have to look good. I mean, you can look like you too, and then somebody else has to get your attention. Madonna, we have to have our hair done, our makeup done, the clothes and whatever. Yet you do to just rock up in a pair of shorts and a t-shirt and that's it. You're done. So unfair. Where in the animal world, it's the opposite. In the animal world, it's the opposite way. The women rock up in a t-shirt and shorts, and the men have to go to the beauty salons.
Ħanurikom kif qed ġibilna toqba ta' sor mnasu.
Zom, le, xmuxek. Number one, ħanibda ngħid xi ħaġa jiena mela. Number one, tal-animal world qed tafeċ, għax Liljun, ir-raġel, għandu the main, he has the fanciness.
Exactly.
And the women is the leader, għax the women goes and does the killing. So she provides for the pack. The
Doesn't
woman.
mean she's the leader, Max, ta?
Eżatt, il-raġel issa jiena dak li nfittex ġomara.
But the man, he has to have the biggest mane, and he has to win over the woman. The men in the animal kingdom, the men compete to get a woman. In the human kingdom, the women compete to get a man. It's the opposite way.
Xju compete
course we
l-ostja.
do. Of course
Intom
we do.
li balla tridu tagħmlu.
Le, ma zomna
Look,
għara.
look at all the so the lion and his mane, the peacock and his tail. All of them.
Le,
The
vera,
men
għandha
are
raġun.
always the most beautiful.
Eżatt.
The males are.
Ma that's the
The
way nature
female-
designed us.
Imma tidna morru
And then-
nature, ġifiri?
And then- Yes,
Immorru nature.
I want you
Ġiena
to
ma-
make the effort.
No,
and I
ċem barra u
don't-
naħxie kull mara li nara, ha, morru nature.
Yeah.
Ah, bidda it-tapon, eh?
Imma first go and spend
It-tapon, nax daw,
Imma
They
first-
force themselves, rape kontra rape.
First, go and spend a year in a beauty salon, make yourself look beautiful, use the
Yeah.
filler, the botox, of course.
Oh,
You have
yeah.
to bring
Oh,
yourself
yeah.
up to the peacock level.
U jena
yeah.
kismani ħanejdlek, jena kelli, jena, it-siti kienet rabbi l-fnik. Kienem wieħed bla widna men operajnieħ, bla għajn u ballun wieħed, boċċa wada kellu, u kol kien jaxxin nisa kolla, ġizzom, ma kellux għalfej jidher tajjeb.
They don't give a shit about looks, so in the
Esatto.
so.
In the animal kingdom they do.
Imma not to pick up the women.
Of course.
Omur lemx
Yes,
iż-zoppet
they do. Because
Discovery
the men-
Karwana.
Oh,
Ħanajdlek
shit.
jiena xiġri. Ħanajdlek jiena xiġri. National Geographic su, ħanajdlek jiena
Ah,
xiġri.
tell me.
Il-mara tkun edha hekk. Il-mara tkun edha hekk, ara. Roma, ġildu bejnietom li ġil kem edin sew. Il-mara hekk. Tixrob u tiċċilja. U l-peacock saqqa jgħatu ma xulxin. Le, dik tijaj, le, tijaj, papa. Imma, għettajd li the men are ruling when the woman is chilling.
They're
The
not-
men are fighting with each other.
Le,
And then
le.
the women gets to fuck.
Toċ
għal-buzz.
ħallat il-ħas mal-bas.
Xi tħallat il-ħas mal-bas?
No, we didn't say about who's ruling. We said about the beauty industry and that women are doing a lot to make them, to beautify themselves. And I said
Yes.
that we should, in the human kingdom, we should, in the human, whatever, we should look more towards the males that have to invest more in their beautification in
Yes.
order to win over the female, right?
Yes.
Anyways,
It is not to do
nature-
with who's ruling, it's who's looking more beautiful.
In the animal kingdom u in the human
In
kingdom,
humans,
pussy
they look
rules.
like you.
Pussy
and in
rules,
the
man.
animal kingdom, they look like...
Pussy rules, man, that's
Jiena
the
taf
truth.
xinaf, jiena, I can spend.
And then, of course, and then in the animal kingdom, then most of the women turn around and kill them,
As well.
the guys.
I can spend years of my life trying to do beauty therapy u hekk. Nidħol ġobar. Sowa? Nkun wahdi ġolbar.
Toħroġ waħdek.
Raġel wahdi u xaba nisa. U jekk jien nixtieq nabbi mara, jien misa nabbija. Għax trid tabbini biex jiena nabbija. Period. There is no... you cannot. The women has the choice at the end.
You think so?
U 100%, għandkom
And I tend to
vera
agree,
ħażina,
yeah.
ta' Aħna l-ġil, min jaħseb li xi gran alla ħajjitu għal-ħajja bin-nisa u l-bitches u dawn l-affarijiet, is the total opposite. Your women can get any man they want easily. You have what's wrapped around your little fingers. U ta' fuqha.
How do we do that?
How do you do it?
How do you go and get any man that you want?
How do you
Just show your pussy.
Nothing.
That's it. That's what you do, man.
Laqas you need to show. Naqas, jinta, nothing. Anka waħda, all right.
That's it.
Il-liba, di.
That's it, Ferran, you melt. You melt.
Mela, kurħattek, u liġil.
Oh.
Because we're there to procreate. Issa tkellmu
It's that
beauty.
easy.
Intom,
It's
you
that
ruled.
easy.
Inta, ma daqsek.
I'll try it. I'll try it and I'll get back to you.
Issa naqtu lejt, le?
Mux tattoo dawk inti, tattoo tijak?
What?
L-eyebrows.
Yes.
Tattoo? Naqbsu
The actual tattoos, ġifiri.
Actual tattoos.
Literal tattoos.
Semi-permanent makeup. Yeah, that's
What do you
because I
think
don't
about-
have the eyebrow hair fell off.
But it's full on tattoo, proper tattoo.
Semi-permanent makeup, not tattooing like this.
Għalix
It's a different
Different technique.
because you have to touch it up every year.
U daw li
Għalix ma tamlux permanent u daqsek.
Because then it's not nice on the face. This kind of tattooing on the face is not nice. It's different. It's very. I'm full of them. I'm
Dak
full of
semi-permanent,
tattoos.
dak le.
No.
Dak
Those
real
are all
permanent.
permanent.
Jaqlaw lek ħara jek fuq għatta tuġi li jissib mil dik shit.
Nobody does.
Le? Yeah,
I think they're afraid to.
They're afraid of what?
A lot of
What,
people,
family?
a lot of people find me a little bit intimidating, so they wouldn't actually tell me what they would tell somebody.
Online
else
they
as
tell
a
you,
girl.
ma for sure, online.
Yes, because online, keyboard warriors, they don't find me intimidating. But I mean, I'm not bothered at all. I don't read it.
U daw li ġieli għoddi tilaw it-Turkija, għoddi għamlu ticket.
To the hair transplant.
Dak tattoos ukoll ikunu semi-permanent tattoos.
No, in Turkey it's a hair transplant.
Ma min jagħmel
That's it.
it-tattoos
Yes.
Oh, well, to fill it
Yes.
up. Eżatt.
Scalp, yes.
Dak
to
kemm
fill up.
tmur tixxina Faber Castello toqgħod tagħmel kull filgħodu.
You could do that, although that would take quite a lot of time, and then in the heat it would all sort of like, you know.
Ma wiċċek tiġisek the crow, ostja.
So you do give importance imma to fashion. Per eżempju, jekk il-partner tiegħek tkun sweet, tkun sabiħa, sweet u da, imma tkun fashion disaster, you're okay with that, ġifieri? No, you do give importance.
Personally, no, yes.
All right, okay.
Inti you said li it fell off, and you were public about alopecia, correct? Għal min ma jafx alopecia, it's when just the hair of your body starts, doesn't
It's an
grow again.
autoimmune condition.
Ta' Chris Rock, ta' Will Smith to Chris Rock. You think it's true li qabesa li ħabba daw l-affarijiet, jew just għax once again the woman is ruling and ħarta titol ħarta. You saw it happen, so
Yes.
You remember what
For
happened?
who
I
didn't see.
I mean, if Will Smith did that to stick up for his wife because of the comments, I think that was very silly. I can't believe actually that Will Smith behaved in that way over something so silly.
Imma isma. Nkunu onesti. Will Smith beda jitħaq għal-bidu, mbagħad ħares li l-mara tiegħu ra li she was
Yeah, but
offended.
I don't like her at all.
All right, okay. So
I'm not a Yada fan at all. No, I don't like her.
okay.
Le
all right,
xejju. Ifhem it nejsu qed maġbunix jien. Ejja, għaxa tisir
Iva, ma insomma tantx fadlina l-labu
Loba.
żewġ lobiet. Loba actually u għanna section oħra. Imma nilabu din il-loba, it's a smash or pass for you, my dear.
Okay.
Di ġeneralment ma nisa straight namlu blow job or no job. Jekk
Okay.
jkun smash or pass.
All right.
So go for it, laqna. L-ewwel waħda.
With you or not. Issa ħalli għal relations. Looks wise.
Looks wise, eh?
Pass.
Pass? Why? You don't like blondes?
Don't like femmes.
What? She's a femme? What is it?
La bella xini butch?
She's very female.
It's short for female. Sorry.
Eżatt.
It's not the age ġifiri.
No.
Kemm għandha żmien?
She's gorgeous. Trudy's gorgeous.
She is gorgeous.
But she's a pass for me.
Pass. Xej, insa. Next. Kiku kolla podcast tajjeb kont titħajjar?
Le, x-podcast di.
Għal-Trudi.
Bitches, stop, bitches.
Deblu.
Bitches.
Dimini, ħadem xajt.
Who is this?
Dimini, Amy Borch.
Ember. Di Ember. Ember, il-kantanta.
Ok. Le, ma nafx minni.
No.
No, you don't like.
Pass.
She is a lesbian, of course.
She's a lesbian?
Yes.
I don't like women wearing makeup. As an attraction to be attracted to. I don't
Beauty therapy, beauty or makeup artist to
she's just-
No, I appreciate beautiful women and beautiful makeup, but it's not a sexual attraction for me.
Okay. You don't
Absolutely no.
No.
Pass. Hard pass. Hard pass.
Super pass, eh?
Super mega pass.
Ara, meta konna qed nagħmlu
Absolutely
production
no.
meeting, il-PJ qalulna tellaw la nisa hot malla.
Eżatt. Xerra, ħana għadna. So,
No.
you are totally ġifiri the
Does
opposite.
absolutely nothing for
The
me.
opposite of conventional men biex
Eżatt.
niftemu, għax di eżatt bid-duck lip sara, bil-pouting u ek. This is a...
Pass.
No, I like girls that look like boys.
Okay.
You like girls and look like boys.
Għanna xi
Kif ma bqajċ?
Għanna waħda actually. Mela pass ukoll. Da waħad tkun maġla dil-logħba, ġifieri kollha pass tittihom.
Boom!
She's
Da ta'
beautiful,
fosta
though.
tellajtu. Da biex taħraqna għal-notlok. Mexxi, di mux pass, di underground, mexxi. Ejja.
Oh Oh my lord.
Fiġi, għet biex xumur baraj.
Your research wasn't good. Hard pass.
But as well, Barbelisa.
Le, ma joġbu, jiex mennek.
She doesn't like them full on fashion.
Għadna falsa stikka.
Passo kollu, issa.
La, smaħħa. Ostja. La. Anyways, tajb, u jgħadġibu hot women ek.
Di, weja, di.
Tajba.
This is a possibility.
Di, dik tuża biex t-ċaf il-platti, jaru.
Next.
Next, xej.
Ej,
And Grace.
Isma di, actually, ma nafx jek jgħadu.
Għanda tattoos. It wasn't a full-on straight 101 pass, so at least għanda l-potenzjal. Tidu għal-jom xieġifiri inti, xettin
Għax da għettejt l-onda, I like girls who look like men, so il-minetta tiħ possibilità, da għettedroma indirettament, you look like fucking men.
No, it's not. It's tomboyishness. Whereas, like, say, for example, that bikini is very feminine, so she's not really.
Il-bajtu z-zob diffiċli joqdu ġofira. Kolli najt, you know?
Il-tatumon a feminine imma.
Next.
Denise. Not even, nothing. Everyone, nothing. Xiex ħanaħxu għana, sport.
Ma nafx, laqqasu, probably.
This one, she's dressed like a man. It's a CEO.
This
She
is
looks like a CEO of a company, at least.
This could be a possible. But if the hair was shorter.
Dimant il-vortex tixtrita.
And then she has nails like mine. I don't like that.
Xej, all right.
Anna,
Valentina.
Laqqas, issa forsi ħanibdaw nirraġunaw minn issa l-qoddim. Ejja.
Dawk issu għabbassu, jam xiamlu
U mux bejken bejlek. Meta konna etna zluq da ritratti mandunajnix li sejra,
Eżat,
Oh, that looks pervy.
Oh, shit.
Laħar ritratt ħammexxu. Bestiality.
Naqqa peanut butter u eksu.
That's my Marjorie. That's my Margarine. She's my girl. She's gorgeous.
She is very. Honestly, she is.
Aħna mill-ni għadi għax għalluna li tuħu għalik, għallina li tuħu.
Yes, I do. I'm very, 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 very particular about comments.
Ġenafu li ħraqnik minn ġewa fl-istessin. U daħat mur publika stija. Xidwejja. Su, il-Malti għajt kull deni ħudu bġid. Inti li twilit mara. Min dan id-deni, ġġid ħadd.
My children, no, I suppose.
Good question.
Good answer.
So,
Madonna.
Romeo lil-Ġuljetta ħada dawra fuq iż-żiemel. Missieri li t-tifla tiegħi ħada il-bandli. Inti l-ex tiegħek raġel, kif ħada wara li jetlu li jint l-izbjana f'peroċjata?
He didn't take it very well at all. No. It didn't go down well at all.
So, int kif tħobb daqsek il-klip meta tħobb daqsek il-pusi?
Di mhix tadda, di serja.
What animal should I like? Being
Il-pussy.
because I could like
it was hard to
cats.
get this.
Yeah, no, I didn't get that.
Il-fajna ma lajt no xew
Meta kont mar-raġel, kont tħobb il-hot dogs.
Right.
Jow il-sausage dogs.
Il-sausage dogs. Issa tħobb il-pussy. Dikiet iċċajta.
Okay.
Ma femitiex, mara.
Saċertu livell jasa. Inti li bsajk il-lum għax tifhem fil-fashion.
Min għalilkom li jinnifem fil-fashion? Where is this whole thing coming from fashion?
Mela, ħanajdlek storja, issa di mbata qtawa fil-kas. Aħna għallunna li inti darba minnom vera nkazzajt għax darba minnom l-isptar ġabulek ħwejjeġ ħażina. Ġiviri, don't tell me you're not into fashion, meta inti tinkazza għax ġabulek xugaman ħażin, per eżempju, xugaman ta' dik
On a bag, it was the greens bag.
Għax kadula f'basket tal-Greens inkazzat. Riditu fluwi Vuitton. Xogamana. Tlana, serjeta.
Int li bsajk il-lum għax tifhem fil-fashion. Mela xiżob kont tilbes kieku ma tifhimx. Purtira tan-nanna, ejja.
Su. Dik il-kelba, meta ħatraqqada?
Il-Malti jgħid li ħol xarek u ġib iż-żejt. Kemm tħossok kif fortunata li inti kemm iġib iż-żejt biss?
Saved a lot of money over the years. Oh. Hairdressing is expensive, man. You know, cut color blow dry is like 260 euros now.
expensive.
Nice. So you've been fantastic. Vera ħadd pjaċir għax neħdu pjaċir meta jkun nisbħalek illi they know we're joking, come on, like what the fuck, you know what I mean?
Of course.
Nisperaw.
Eżatt, can you take this shit seriously?
Għasik marajr.
I think, you know, life has become so, I mean, it's just ridiculous. People taking things to the extreme where we're forgetting to laugh. Forgetting to laugh. You
And
know?
we're doing it, and there is...
I'm not saying that you guys don't sometimes make me take a deep breath,
Deep breath,
because
yeah.
you kind of like, you really push the boundary, but
Listen,
it is funny.
That is why, I mean, when not to sound people presumptuous or overconfident, but that is why this show is doing what it is doing, because we are stepping
Yeah.
and pushing the boundaries.
You just,
Kiku will be like everybody else, in my opinion. Dik kienet l-agenda li aħna niġu, we talk about things taboo, which essentially should not be taboo. It's everyday life. And people are just impressed because, la, they're talking about it. But I can talk about it in my living room, but why not?
On TV.
You know, it's strange. It's a strange
I think
phenomenon.
we need to lighten up a little bit. I think.
100% naqbel.
Shall we go for the
kompletament.
outtakes?
Għamel l-outtakes malajr.
Namlu l-outtakes, niġu għall-sponsors u nalqu.
Is-sara ħaqqal xort għandin il-kelb tijak allergic għad-diksan. Minn flok tajt li thank you tajtu ħasla washing machine. ħaterġa tal-għal-bimu tal-karuzza jek, ħaqqal ħaterġa tal-għal-bimu tal-karuzza jek, kunu Importante non è che grazie. Ecco. Caro Pippo. Ecco. Kom sabiħa u ġejdi u Max Proset, eh? Għatmar għatkel Randy. Boy! Għandek ġidda għazmi? U għajen għodder daħula kek fantaj mija. Ma tatix tips, te. Ma tatix tips ħaqqal muntun ta' trop. Taħraqni darbohra u naħraq għajem Pep. Jien naħraq Pep. No, xieħlew xallu da damilu. Ejjena għanti d-dedi, sabiħajna għanti d-doktor, jisajja. 1, 2, hop, bidejzi, Fej, zoffa xkem għandu jgħal, fej, għallimu il-television taqqabulek moħħok, Pep, taqqabulek jgħal.
Daw just kienu extras, kienu wista That was literally the reason why.
Mela, nirringrazzjaw l-sponsors li jihdu xsibna kull episode, per eżempju, sotto zero li ġibinna l-goodies l-lum għadna ma kienniex menna.
Xej, sa niklu għala.
Għatma ma kien, għeddi li ma niklux waqt il-da. Lejtu Z Electronics li ħassibna bil-dawn it-tablets, għanna u koll air conditioning, minn għandu għanka xi laptop technical stuff u koll. thecasefactory.com, jek tidu cool custom cases, zuru thecasefactory.com, onlineintimates.com għal toys tal-adulti u playful fun.
Sensual.
Actually, we didn't go into toys with Sue. Ħosni disappuntati jena.
For another show.
All right, okay. We'll definitely bring you back. Ġifiri. Ma 5pointsgrowing.com għal 18 plus pjanti għalix 18+, 5pointsgrowing.com. DLE.mt, propietajiet u professional advice emmek. Fire and Fork, il-restaurant li jisponsorjana u koll, aħna morna emmek, għamilna all you can eat mal-patruni tana, kull nar ta' erba, fitxu Fire and Fork fuq Facebook għal aktar dettalji u ser jiftħu koll outletġdid.com. Outletġdid dal-waqt. Black Box Pro, taraw l-affarijiet ġodda, per eżempju, għanna headphones ġodda, għanna dall-apparat,
Mike's
top of the
beautiful
range, stands ġodda, kollox għanna ħafna apparat ġdid u kollu Black Box Pro ser ikunu qegħdin
Importanti,
jisapportjawna. Di ħatkunu qed tisimgħu aktar fuq ovvjament fuq il-page tagħna u dawn l-affarijiet. Se jkunu qed jieħdu ħsieb it-technical side kollha tal-live tagħna li ser nagħmlu f'Ottubru dalwaqt. Id-dettalji ser joħorġu tickets dalwaqt ukoll.
Eżatt, guys, għanna kollox ippjanat, ħadkunu tistaw tiġu in-house, taraw bażikament li show ħajkonna guest speċjali, mus ngħidu minnu għalissa, ħajkonna skits tal-PJ live, ħajkonna l-Spoonet in jeditja live u ifotti il-programm hemmhekk dak il-ħin stess. Kollox live. Id-da ma jistax jiġi censored dak il-ħin, ġifiri.
Klim ħażin ħajkun obviously.
It's going to be live, 100% show, it's going to be beautiful. 18th October is the set date for now, around that time. Tickets ħajħorġu daqt. Biex ngħidu thank you call. Il-Matt Raforis li jiġi jidina ċat kull darba nsejna semmuk fil-ħodu. Tistaw sibuħ fakkarni jedejjem ninsa. Matt Photography fuq Instagram, fuq Facebook. Għanna il-socials tana, kollox @bytobacon, go ahead and follow us there. Guys, YouTube, hemm ħafna minnkom. U għanna il-patrun ukoll, yes, għanna il-patrun, il-Bjana ġejdenna Hellon, patreon.com/bytobacon biex tittu taraw l-episodes ġimma qabel ikkolkom naqa aktar pergżar u
Tistaw tiġu tiklu maħna per eżempju meta nagħmlu l-events.
WhatsApp group imballat nies, kulħadd hemmhekk jgħid l-ereżijiet.
U minn ħajkun Patreon sar ikolkom l-ewwel ċans li tibbukjaw is-sits tagħkom.
Mhux hekk, eżatt, prosi, fil-ħajkolkom dak il-perks.
Ikollhom dak il-perk li tkun hemm.
U guys, diċini di għatmeta nixin nejda, hemm ħafna nis li njarawna u ftit li followjaw. Jiena ma tantx nħobb nittallab imma qafsu dak il-naqa subscribe, dak il-naqa like fuq YouTube ħanna duħ dak il-John Mallija għax edin viċin ħaniġu l-ikbar podcast ta' Malta officially. Temp tinqas minn sena. Imma l-iktar u definitely mux l-inqas thank you kbira lil-mistidna tagħna Su Caruana! You enjoyed it, Sue? I think you let loose. You were a bit
I did, yeah.
worried.
I was apprehensive, yeah, about coming. But no, it was good. It was good. It wasn't as bad as I thought.
Issa
It wasn't
mur
bad
ejt
at all.
il-sħabek
Eżatt.
tafal minn at night. We're good people. We're good people.
guys.
Illi tajnik ta' t-silma.
Issa xkellu ħilma.
U għidilom li ek kisir podcast.
So, anything you'd like to plug? Your shop, your socials, your studio, whatever you'd like to say.
Studio is my time in Attard. We offer all beauty treatments, but
We have like 40% women, so
you
it's
do?
a big.
Okay, so we're my time. We're in Attard. We have doctors doing Botox and laser and fillers and everything else. We do manis and pedis. We do facials.
Process.
Fantastic.
And if the world.
Semi-permanent makeup.
What's the name again?
My time.
My time. And you can find
And
it
we
on...
are in Attard, and you can find it on Facebook. And then on the Instagram, I'm Sue Caruana, and on TikTok, I'm Sue Caruana as well.
Fantastic.
Process. Thank you very, very much, Sue, for everything. Thank you for being a
Thank you
sport.
for having me. Thank you very much.
Because for people to
It was
come,
fun.
they're a bit worried. You're total game. You've been there since day
Okay.
one, and it's beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you,
Thank you.
guys.
Ma ninsawx għanna l-flokkijiet ukoll! Il-ħanut! ħanut.bytobacon.com. Once again, guys, Sue Caruana!